The KN Group started its journey way back in the year 1930 and has been flourishing since then. A dream, a vision set by its founder, late Seth Sri Nemichand Sri Srimal. The group have met the new horizons in the various verticals of manufacturing and trading through steady, diligent and ongoing exploration. The group is expanding and flourishing under the leadership of Group Chairman and MD Mr. Vijay Sri Srimal. The group directors Sanjay Sri Srimal and Dhiren Sri Srimal are strong pillars of the group. A young and dynamic leadership emerging as Group COO Mr. Anand Sri Srimal, who is from 4th generation of Sri Srimal family. The group deals in processing of agro products and is also involved in trading internationally and domestically as well. The group is largest exporter of molasses and one of the largest exporters of non-GMO soya meal to Europe. The KN Group is spanning its trading routes around the globe with its diversified manufactured and sourced products like soybean meal, high-pro soybean meal, non-GMO soya lecithin, cane molasses, sugar, maize, rice, barley, rapeseed meal, soya value-added products such as non-GMO soya refined oil, non-GMO defatted soya flakes toasted and untoasted, non-GMO defatted soya grits toasted and untoasted, non-GMO defatted soy flour toasted and untoasted. The group is actively involved into imports of wheat, pulses, manganese ore and vegetables oils. KN Group is amongst the leading agro companies of India in terms of imports and exports of the agro product internationally. The major cities where KN Group have presence are Mumbai, Raipur, Indore, Khandwa, Itarsi. The group export agro commodities all across the globe. The export and import takes place via major Indian seaports which includes Kandla, Kakinada, Vizag, Pipavav, Tuticorin, Chennai, Haldia and JNPT Mumbai, from where all the international ports are catered. The KN Group is committed to cater its clients with quality products in cost-effective manner. A team of dedicated young and qualified professionals look after the logistics and quality control checks at various levels. KN Group has its international presence by owning manganese ore mines in Morocco. The ore so explored by KN Group is being shipped internationally, including India. KN Group introduced Green Earth Infra Ventures Private Limited, rendering high standard living at affordable price and premium lifestyle offerings to the real estate sector at Raipur. The group is also having interest in renewable energy and possesses windmills. The group is accorded following certifications of registration by agencies of repute: GMP Plus, Halal India Certificate, Kosher, ISO 22000:2005, ISO 9001:2008. The group being conferred several prestigious awards for its achievements in business activities over the years. Globe Oil Soya Company of the Year 2018. Second highest processor of soybean by SOPA for 2017-18. Largest exporters of soya meal by Globe Oil 2017-18. Group Chairman awarded Multi-Commodity Person of the Year 2017 by Globe Oil. Silver highest exporter of soya meal by Globe Oil 2017. Certificate of Merit by SOPA for providing good quality seed to farmers. Certificate of Appreciation by SOPA for soybean development work. Excellence Award for Export Performance by Concur, Container Corporation of India. With a combined turnover of over Rs 2,000 crore and manufacturing and trading footprints across India, the KN Group strives to create enduring value for its stakeholders, consumers, employees, suppliers and partners. The group is on path of success mantra: we grow with agro.